I'm gonna cut my hair. I am. Come on. I am. Today I'm cutting my bangs. I've been ready for a long time. I've been ready for something different. I cut my hair when I was very young. It didn't go well. I watched a YouTube tutorial. So, first thing I read was to cut or do middle parting. Middle parting's my natural thing anyway, so I'm going to uni and I want something different. My hair's just a bit boring. Very bored of it. Constantly changing the colour, never happy. So maybe it's something to do with the style. My hair's quite grubby anyway. So yeah, I watched this tutorial. I'm gonna try it. I mean, if it goes wrong, then it's great content. I mean, it's too late to go back now. No! Yes, I'm here. No. Wait. I've seen YouTube tutorials.
She's watched YouTube tutorials and now she's cut her hair. Like, she brushed it to the front of her face and just got.
Mom, I've messed up!
I don't care. She don't fall. You choose not to listen to me.
Oh my god, the state of it.
I've messed up. I've not finished.
Yeah, it doesn't look any better.
I'm not.
Right. Tell you what the hell?
She looks really cute in the YouTube video.
Oh, you don't look nice.
Oh, internet is lies. We can fix this. We can fix this. We can. Oh my gosh. So this is the final result. It's not final, to be fair. I still need to take it down a little bit more. I stopped recording because I was getting panicked and it didn't look good. As you saw, I just took it down, kind of feathered it out, and I've added some things. Yeah, I still need to take it way shorter because of my glasses and it's just annoying. Even now I keep like trying to get it out my face and it's not. I FaceTimed a couple of people and they were like, what have you done? And I said, I don't know. I was literally lying in bed and falling asleep as well. And I was like, do you know what? I like bangs. I was like, let's watch some YouTube videos. And I watched one YouTube video and this girl looked stunning. And I was like, oh, that looks really, really easy. It's not. I followed it step by step. I guess my hair's a little bit different. When I'm going to uni and I wanted something different, I guess I'll beanie it quite a lot. So I now have this memory to look back on. Reminder to future Anna, do not cut your own hair. You've done it twice, It's never worked out. Learn your lesson. But let's face it, give it another 10 years and I'll be back at it, chipping away at my bangs. It's I look like a pubescent boy. Oh my gosh. Most people dye their hair when they're going for a bit of a breakdown. It's a mistake. I still feel like I've done this during the middle of summer. I've done this right as I'm about to start uni. It's okay. I'll keep you updated on how it looks on Instagram, but pubescent boy out.